Here's a special message for every small business owner who needs to lower payment processing fees, but doesn't want to do it outside of QuickBooks. Hi, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. And if you're tired of high card processing fees in QuickBooks, then pay very close attention. Many small business owners suffer from the idea that getting better rates means you have to process payments outside of QuickBooks and reconcile the batches yourself. But nothing could be further from the truth. And if you're a small business who wants to pay less in card processing fees, then this is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to WorldPay for QuickBooks, which helps you with lowering card processing fees without leaving QuickBooks. WorldPay for QuickBooks makes it simple for you to do the following. Gain the lowest rate for your payment transactions. Get the low-cost payment processing while still inside of QuickBooks. Boost your margin on every sale. Stop getting mad every time you look at your card fee statement. Have fun and enjoy your business. And much, much more. And what makes this even better? You can gain this advantage without having to waste time, and it's not complicated, which also means you won't continue to be stuck with margin-eating fees previously thought to be a necessary evil. And best of all, you can start seeing results with WorldPay for QuickBooks in less than a day. And finding out if the rates are right for you is absolutely free. No strings attached. So again, if you're a small business owner who wants to stop paying high card processing fees, understand this. The longer you wait, the more your money keeps flying out the door into big company pockets. You're not stuck with a single company anymore when it comes to payment choices, and you can still keep it within your invoicing system. Nobody's going to make this switch for you. But once you reach out, it can happen very quickly and very easily. There's nothing to be afraid of. And WorldPay for QuickBooks holds the key to your success with the lowest card rates in QuickBooks. Take action today and follow the link below, right now.